This background is like not official. What's up guys, it's me obviously. Today's video is going to be another get ready with me and I'm doing my favorite songs of January, even though this month isn't over yet, but it's almost over, so it's like doing a 2-for-1 because I'm doing this makeup for another video, which is the one before this, so I'll leave that, it'll be at the end of my video. So yeah, and these are not in like order. I'm sorry, I'm like kind of sick right now. These are not in the order of like how much I like them. It's just like randomly put into my playlist. I hope I don't get copyrighted. Pretty sure I got copyrighted in the last one. Okay, so most of these songs are kind of like low-key, like kind of like slow. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not put you between my arms. I whispered underneath my breath, she's hurting, darling, you look perfect tonight. Don't mind this. You must think that I'm new to this, but I have seen this song before. You leave me, the quicker these tears dry, and every time you call, the less I love you. I'm way too good to come by, even when I mean almost to you. Unless you go and leave me in the dirt, and every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. I fall apart. I love this song. She left me with a broken heart. Now there's so many thoughts going through my brain. Yeah. And now I'm taking these shots like it's Novocaine. Ooh, I fall apart. Ooh, I fall apart. Sounds cold. Ooh, didn't know be surprised when you call me off guard. Yeah, if I could go back to that day we met, I probably would just stay in bed. Next time I'ma stay asleep. I pray, got me thinking lately, bitch you crazy, and now it go like don't make me feel so fucking done with you, girl. Rush, where did that even come from?
My lungs will fill and then deflate. They fill with fire, exhale desire. I know it's dire, my time today. I have these thoughts so often I ought to replace that slot with what I once bought. Cause somebody stole my car radio and now I just sit in silence. I'm as quiet as violent. I have these thoughts so often I ought to replace that slot with what I once bought. Cause somebody stole my car radio and now I just sit in silence. Oh my duty, please stop thinking. I liked it better when my car had sound. Peace will win and fear will lose. There's faith and there's silence. My lungs will fill and then deflate. They fill with fire and my car radio, and now I just sit in silence.
Liar, been a thief, been a lover, been a cheat. All my sins need holy water, healing washing over me. Little one, if all it's gonna cause is pain, truth in my will not do it on camera. I don't know where you're going, but do you got room for one more trouble? So this is the road to ruin, and we're started at the end. Say yeah, let's be alone together. We can stay young forever. Funny anymore, it's not. Do you wanna? Yeah.
my breath. Somebody catch my breath. I wanna be known by you. I wanna be. Though I'm beaten down, I'll slip away into the sound to go close to me. I'm inside out, I'm underneath. Beaten down, I'll slip away into the sound that goes to you. Slip away into the sound that goes to you. It's cold. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Cause I don't fucking care at all. Cause I have hella feelings for you. I act like I don't fucking care, like they ain't even there.
I'm gonna do my bottom lashes after.
Have hella for me.
Oh, I forgot to put chapstick on, honey.
For you at all.
Can't reach you on my phone.
I'll gather up the love. I'm packing up my bag. It's more than you deserve. Don't treat me like a drag. Running for a time, tear me out. I just wanna run.
Than you do.
I'm sick of feeling cheap.
Cheated and abused. Sick of losing sleep. Thinking about you. Be myself. I just wanna run. Lay me down. I just wanna run. Throw it away. From before I find it. Throw it away.
I just wanna run. Throw it away. Run before the fans in.
Literally everything turned off at once. My laptop died. That stopped recording. So since I still have a few songs to go through, I'm just gonna be touching up some stuff, being extra. Oh, I forgot my bottom lashes.
I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the bad believer.
It's kind of hard to like be all enthusiastic when you're like into doing your makeup, you know what I'm saying?
These birds send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove.
I'm gonna go straighten my hair. This is my hair. I did it straight. This is my makeup. This is like a natural sort of thing. I like to have my hair and my face like this. Kind of like looks more better, I guess. But yeah. Enjoy this video. I love making these. I have no idea why. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And leave a like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do, and remember everything happens for a reason. Bye.
Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our body low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands to the bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot, hot, clap, we skip a beat. Count